In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove page number in WPS Office Mobile. Welcome, and thanks for joining me. In this tutorial, we'll focus specifically on removing page numbers using WPS Office on a mobile device. If you're editing a document on your phone and notice a page number that you no longer need, this simple walkthrough will help you remove it quickly and cleanly. Since mobile editing works a bit differently compared to desktop, it's important to understand the exact steps that are currently available. When working in WPS Office on mobile, the page number appears directly on the page itself, usually in the header or footer area. To begin, locate the page number you want to remove. Make sure the document is open and visible on your screen so you can clearly see the page number. Once you've found it, double-tap directly on the page number. This step is important because it selects the page number and activates the text editing mode. You should see the cursor appear, indicating that the page number is now editable. After the page number is selected, tap the backspace key on your keyboard. This action deletes the page number from the document. As soon as you press backspace, the page number should disappear from the page. At the moment, this is the only available method to delete a page number in WPS Office on mobile. Unlike the desktop version, there are no additional menu options, removal settings, or section controls for page numbers on the mobile app. Because of this limitation, the double tap and backspace method is the most direct and effective way to remove it. After deleting the page number, take a moment to review the page to make sure it has been successfully removed. You can scroll through the document to confirm that no other page numbers remain. If your document contains multiple pages, keep in mind that you may need to repeat this process on each page where a page number appears. This method works best for simple documents and quick edits, especially when you're working on the go. While mobile editing has fewer options than desktop, knowing this shortcut can save you time and help keep your document looking clean and professional. Once you're done, you can continue editing your document as usual or save your changes when finished. With just a few taps, you've successfully removed the page number using WPS Office on mobile. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.